New York creature.
Let's go, boys.
Clear at that, and here we go.
No, Andersen.
Pass. Rangers get it out of the zone. Lafreniere, Hilo brings to the net. Save, right?
Oh, damn.
Twice, man.
Big chance for Filipino.
Making better plays with the puck.
There's an opening.
Yeah! Foxy Cleat!
I don't think so, Mike.
What do you mean?
Thought he had one.
Reb said no.
No way! It went in the nets!
Right? Hilo toward the net, knocked away by Andersen.
Penalty.
Upcoming on Carolina.
What the?
Panarin. Pass blocked by Braden Schneider. Panarin gets it back. Zibanejad to Fox. Zibanejad tied for third in the league with 15 power play goals. Scored one last night. Leads the team. Panarin down low with a deflection save. Rebound.
Mika! Make it 16! Yeah!
It's on power play goal.
We'll play Foxy.
The line by Fox. Nice pass up ahead.
Mika.
Here to Fox. Fox to the net. He missed.
Damn.
He shot it right over the net.
He's upset with himself.
Yeah.
Good hit by Jimmy Vesey.
Jimmy Vesey.
Well, as the head coach said, Jimmy Vesey and Barkley Goodrow.
Come on.
Penalty upcoming on the Rangers. Good work by Kreider. Horn sounds. A minute 20.
Got a different surgery.
Good kill, good kill.
Surgery.
Trocheck to Kreider. Kreider turns. The feet of Vesey. Now Trocheck to the save made. Trocheck again. And the save is increased by Slavin.
He saved a goal.
Damn. Unbelievable.
Stepping up is Miller. Got it. Remember, Joe, you go back several years ago, years back, they would take young players who played defense in the NHL years to really get the game. Now we're seeing younger players like a Keandre Miller.
I think part of that, Sam, was Keandre Miller in particular, because he started playing the position so late. You know, he was 16 years old before he started playing defense. And the fact that he was able to get paired with Jacob Teuvo and help learn under him, I think has made a big difference.
Had a bad feeling there, man, just now. I knew it.
Deflected, but it stuck in on the short side on Jaroslav Halak. Derek Stepan was set up in front.
Relax.
Stepan gets the puck to Paul Stastny. Now Burns moving, shooting, save Halak. Burns went left, shot back.
Oh, go, 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 go!
Here's Zibanejad with some room. Moving in with Panarin. Here's Panarin. And the shot went wide.
Way wide.
He had trouble with him.
Soft win for the Hurricanes. They've dominated the face-off. Rebound, chance, save. And it's the rebound. Kotkaniemi. Jesperi Kotkaniemi got his own rebound. And Carolina takes a 2-1 lead.
It's so right. Yeah. Jimmy Vesey is hitting everything. Skate, Jim.
Lead for Jimmy Vesey.
We're the only ones that are happy.
That's right.
That's it.
Ryder pushed it with the glove. Jarvis settled it down. That shot was blocked. Zibanejad comes out with a puck. Tarasenko's stick, I think, is broken. He dropped his
Didn't
stick.
realize it right away until he was taking another 3-4 strides.
He dropped it on the ice. It's still on the ice. From the Rangers bench. Rangers move in.
The Brandman!
How about that genius move?
Put him on different lines.
Check. Panarin scores.
What was that, 3 seconds he was out on the new line? Arizona. What's going on? Why are you showing me a replay?
Move it. Take it away. Wraparound tried. Went wide. Good effort by Jordan Martinu. Tarasenko.
What a way to end the period.
See that pressure. One player right on top.
They said originally an Ottawa draft pick, never played for them, was traded.
First round pick.
Yeah, first rounder was traded to Anaheim, the Bobby Ryan deal. Shot by Schneider, Schneider, 6. Yes! Score!
I don't even know who it is. let's go.
Against his former team,
Troch.
the Rangers.
Oh, baby. Brett.
Get the shot. Did he get it?
Brett.
Right.
Yeah, but I thought Trocheck was reaching that way.
Oh, here we go again.
And breaking to the net, Jimmy Vesey. Save
Damn.
Andersen. Here tonight, the Rangers lead 3-2, a little over 6 minutes gone by now in the third period. Teravainen, good pass to Aho. Gets to the net. Save Halak. Oh, what a save by Jaro Halak.
Oh, my God. Go, Brad.
Panarin going for it, and Burns went down, and a penalty called on Panarin for Oshie.
Yeah, man, come on, Brad. Taking a few too many of those lately, man.
8-7.
Yeah, Jimmy!
Beautiful play by Jimmy Vesey.
Vesey.
Power play is over. Way back, Trocheck to the point to Miller. It's cleared out. Aho gets to it.
Good
Miller
play.
checks him. Aho
Good
wraps up
play.
Miller. Give it up. Here's Panarin breaking in. Panarin to the net.
Yeah! Yeah! Boom!
It's a hat trick for Artemi Panarin.
Let's go.
And the Rangers.
Carolina's lead in the division to 6.
Rangers have a long flight ahead of them tomorrow to Vancouver. They won't play until Wednesday, but it'll be a happy flight.
Man.
Lafreniere trying to shoot.
Oh, that's empty.
Block is picked up by Kakko.
When did I get empty?
Scores.
They didn't even mention it.
I didn't even realize. Kaapo's eating up now. Back-to-back games.
And they beat Carolina 6-2 here. And here they come in. Carolina in first place in the Metropolitan Division. And the Rangers have found a way to win this game.
You know, they survived the second period, Sam, and they got another really good goaltending performance out of Jaro Halak.
Oh, here's Panarin. He scores again.
Wow.
It's a 4-goal night.
Holy shit.
Let's go! Unbelievable! Oh my goodness! It's the Tarasenko effect, ladies and gentlemen.
Look to make a play, looks to shoot. Jimmy Vesey.
7 consecutive games. 6-0-1. A 4-goal third period. Rangers win it. And don't forget Jaro Halak. He's won 7 in a row.
See the number one goalie on the team?
What a night.